Okay, this video is going to go over completing the square in order to graph equations. So if you watched the previous video, it goes into detail about how to complete the square a little bit more than I'm going to now. But basically you find the thing with the letter x. So in this case, that's -6, and you cut it in half. So that's going to look like x minus 3, and you call that squared. Now, if you think about x minus 3 squared, if you FOILed that out, you would get this, x squared minus 3x plus 9. So this plus 9 right here, you cannot just add 9 to an equation. It does not work like that. That means on the outside of this, you have to cancel it by minusing 9. And then don't forget there's still a plus 13 at the end of this from the original here. Now, these are like terms, you can combine them. So in terms of this equation, it would look like this, x minus 3 squared plus 4. So now it's just a quadratic with a vertex of 3, 4 with an a value of +1, like this. And if you look at all these examples, they're all going to have an a value of 1. So I'm not going to go into like doing the XY table with transformations or anything. When it's a value 1, it's pretty simple to graph. You should know how to do that by now. All right, this next one, find the thing with the letter x, 4x, cut it in half. So call this x plus 2 squared. The L of the FOIL here is +4, just like this. So that means you have to minus 4 on the outside. And then, of course, the minus 2 from the original equation. Combine your like terms. You would get x plus 2 squared minus 6. So this is a quadratic with the vertex -2, -6. Looks like it's about here. And then an a value of +1. So this looks something like this. All right, the next one, find the thing with the letter x, cut it in half. So call this x minus 6 squared. The L value of this FOIL is -6 times -6, which is +36. So you have to minus 36 on the outside. And then, of course, the +31 at the end. Combine your like terms. And so now you're ready to graph this. This is a quadratic with a vertex of 6, -5. That's like right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, it's down one more. It's right here. And then an a value of 1. So this just looks something like this. All right, and then this last one, find the thing with the letter x, 2x, cut it in half. So call this x plus 1 squared. The L of this FOIL would be +1. So I have to minus 1 on the outside, and then the +3 from the original. So this equation is going to look like x plus 1 squared plus 2. It means it's a quadratic with a vertex of -1, 2 right here. And then an a value of 1 would make it look something like this. Okay. So that's how you complete the square in order to graph some of these quadratics. Hope this video helped.